doing a Cupshe haul. I'm gonna be doing all bikinis, and the best part is that I got all bikinis from Tabria Major's line. So y'all know I love my girl Tabria. The real reason why I decided to go with Tabria's line is because we have two completely different body types. You know, she has a heavier bottom, I have a smaller bottom. She has a smaller chest, I have a bigger chest. So I need to do it for the girls. I need you guys to see what it looks like on you. So let's get into it. If you guys enjoy this sort of content, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you can see all my fire videos, because we all have different body types. Maybe the model doesn't have big, you know, tatas. Maybe the model doesn't have a small booty. We need to know. We need to know. Maybe they don't have chichos. So that's what I'm here for. For the girls with the chichos, or maybe you're just afraid to wear bikinis and you need someone else that's bigger than you to do it. That's what I'm here for. All right, so let's get into the first bathing suit. All right, guys, so this is the first bathing suit, and let me just reiterate, the sizing and the links will be linked in the description box. So if you ever have any questions about any of that, you know exactly where to go. But this one is a 2X because I looked at it just now. And it's really cute. Like, I love the colors, like the color theory. I don't know what I'm talking about when I say that, but the way that the orange and the pink goes together, I love that. The only thing is that my tatas are big. So I don't have any faith that they're not gonna come out of this hole. You have faith in it? Like, I know that people be trusting things like this, but I don't have trust, because the amount of times I've slipped is record breaking, okay? So although I do love the bathing suit, I just feel like I'm gonna be like tugging at myself all day. But other than that, I mean, it's really gorgeous. The thing is, it brings a lot of attention here, and I know that I should be used to it, but for some reason, because this thing is here, I'm like, oh my god, like, this is a lot. I feel like this is a little bit too much for me. But I don't know, comment below what you guys think. It is a halter top. It comes pretty high up, so it's very, very flattering. Let's just say that. It's very flattering. It's a very pretty color, and I do love her. So comment below what you think of this one. Okay, so this one is the second one, and I know you guys can see it in my face. I love it. It's so comfortable and cute. Oh my god, it's black with like little gold accents, but it makes it like a completely different color. And the thing about me is I will find me a man in this. That's the thing, except I'm not looking, but still, if I wanted to, this is it. I love this Tabria, girl. Tabria, like, honestly, it fits so nice. I got this one in a 2X as well. There's support here. I'm comfortable. I'm pretty sure that the straps are adjustable, so that helps for like people who might need a little bit more support, or if the shoulders are too big or short, you can adjust it, which is really amazing. Girl, and it's comfortable, and it feels like such good quality, and I think that's why I'm so obsessed with this bathing suit. Like, it's like perfectly out there in the most beautiful way. Like, it's not too much, it's not over the top, but it's also like, girl, you a baddie. Look how cute. It's so flattering, especially girls with big tatas. If you feel like this, you know you got a winner. So comment below what you think of this one. Okay, let's talk about this one. It's the color for me. It's the support for me. It's the vibe I'm giving for me. Whoa, I love when I feel so good in a bathing suit, man. I feel so amazing. Like, I love when I feel amazing. And you know what I like about these bathing suits is, like, it's doing enough without doing too much. Like, a little bit goes a long way. It's just having bathing suits that are in these colors, in these patterns, that fit my body type. Like, even though it's just, you know, the tie and a cute color and a little bit of underwire, this is giving, and it didn't have to be extra. Like, why is it that, like, when I go and get bathing suits, there's all these extra ties and all these things in the back and thin and blah blah blah. I literally tried on 3 bathing suits from Tabria's line, and the straps are thick, the material is nice, my girls are handled. Like, y'all don't understand how much of accomplishment that is for a plus size woman to feel comfortable shopping somewhere. Like, that's what it is. That's the true beauty behind these brands that are actually trying to make a difference for thicker girls. Fine, you might not agree that I should be plus size. You might not agree that, but at the end of the day, I am. And I'm working on bettering myself every day. And I'm gonna accept me for me. I'm not gonna sit here and have a boring life just because you are uncomfortable with my body. I don't mean to go on a tangent, but it's the way that I feel. It's important. Like, I feel flattering. I feel like, dang, I can get bathing suits in colors that are different instead of me always having to wear black. You know, you always have those black dress bathing suits when someone can easily wear this and feel confident and comfortable, and it'd be like, damn, I'm working it. Like, ugh, I'm so impressed. Like, I'm so impressed. I love it. I'm so impressed. Go Leslie, go Leslie, it's your birthday. All right, so comment below what you think of this one. All right, so this is the last bikini. My only regret is I didn't go up a size on the top. I am definitely a 3X. I got this in a 2X, but if I would have gotten it in the right size, y'all, come on, Tabria, come through. I want to be your best friend. Mentor me. Be my hero. Be my lover. Be my best friend. Show me how to love, because clearly you know what you're doing. I hate when I get so excited about things. So at first I forgot how it went, so like I try to wrap this around my head as a halter, which is really weird because I put the shirt on backwards and I could barely fit it. I was like, this doesn't fit. But then I had my sister help me, and then I looked at pictures and I was like, oh my god, look at this. And my sister pointed out a very good point. Like, usually when you get like a bathing suit or a bikini, it's just a string right here, and then it's just stuck in your back fat for the rest of life, and you're like, what happened to it? And it just disappears. This is a thick piece of fabric that is tied in the back. Look at that. If I only went up one more size, this would have been perfect. This would have been my favorite. Like, dead serious, like I'm stuck between 3 of them being my favorite, and this one is a vibe. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I especially enjoyed this haul because it was just different, beautiful colors. I just felt so beautiful, guys. I love you guys so much for watching this whole video. I will link everything in the description box, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. So do you want me to?